Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have some friend mail. Okay, guys, so I went to the post office and I got, whatever mail was in there, and much to my surprise and delight, I had a few packages. Now, I knew I didn't order anything that I would have sent to my P.O. box, so I knew it had to be friend mail, and I checked the little message in there. I did not see what was inside the bag, but I did want to see who it was from, and I found out that it was from Stacie. Now, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, and Stacie, I don't want to butcher it, but I'm going to try to say it. It's Stacie Notinkey. I don't know, Stacie, you're going to have to let me know. But she sent me a couple of packages, and I'm so super excited. This is the first time I got friend mail from someone who does not have a YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so here's my first little package. Just came in an Amazon package here, and I did pull out the little note that was inside, and it says, "Hi, Amber, just a little something for you. You're an amazing mother." Thank you. From your friend, Stacie, I don't know, Notinkey, I'm not really sure. But here you go. Let me zoom in on that right there. Stacie does not have a channel, so it is so incredibly sweet of her to think of me and to send me something and leave such a lovely message. Thank you so much, Stacie. I mean, I could just take this and frame it, and I would be happy, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's see what's inside the little package here. Alrighty, tighty. Let's see. It's still mysterious for me, guys. So let's open it up and figure it out. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, it's for autism awareness. It's a bracelet. And it has a heart, you guys. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, Stacie. Thank you. Oh my gosh, let me put it on. It looks like it's going to slide. Look how awesome this bracelet is, though. I love the design and everything. This is awesome. How sweet. Oh my gosh. How awesome. Let me see if I can get this on for you guys without taking too long. If it does, we'll have to turn the video off and come back, but I'm just so excited. Sometimes I have trouble putting stuff on, obviously. So I have to figure, and I don't even have nails on to blame, so I can't blame the nails. But I did want to put this on for you guys because this is so pretty. Okay, let me just pause it. I'll put it on and I'll come back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I really wanted to put this on because this is such a very special gift, and I'm so, so grateful that she sent this to me, and I really wanted to put it on for you guys. So here it is. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. That is just so pretty. I love, love, love this bracelet. Wow. I love it. I'll definitely be wearing it a lot, so you guys are going to see it a lot on the channel. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Stacie. But wait, there's more. So there was another package in there also from Stacie. So here's this one too. So let's see what's in this one. But before we do that, let's read the note. It says, "Hi, Amber. I remembered hearing you say that you wanted to start working with Noah on your own until you could get him screened. I hope this helps, from your friend Stacie." Aw, she's just thinking of everything. Awesome. So my son has started his speech therapy, and it is going very well. I will have a full update in an upcoming video, but I'm still working with him at home quite a bit. Every little bit helps, and that's what they're explaining to me in the speech therapy as well. So let's see what we got here. Educational sorting game super cooking play set. Oh, how perfect for him. You have no idea how perfect this is for him. Oh, let me show it to you guys. Here it is. Oh, this is so awesome. So this is so perfect for him because he loves playing with all of his play food and his play kitchen and all that stuff. It says it's a best choice for super moms. That's so cool. Tactical motor skills and thinking and learning. Oh, this is so great. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm so excited. Yay. He is going to love this. This is going to be like a treat for him. He loves to learn, and I think he gets that from me. I would like to think so because I love to learn too. I'm like a sponge. I learn something new literally every single day. So, wow. Stacie, this is so incredibly sweet of you to do. You have no idea. This is so, so amazing. Wow, do I have the best subscribers or what? I'm just saying, I do. I absolutely do. You guys are amazing. Stacie, thank you so much. You are so incredibly sweet. That was so nice of you to send me and my son something, just letting us know that you're thinking about us and trying to help him further his education and giving me this super special bracelet. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. I will definitely be wearing it a lot. You guys will see it on the channel quite a bit. And every time I look at it, Stacie, I'm going to think of you and how thankful I am to have a wonderful subscriber and friend like yourself. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Stacie, huge shout out to you. That's so amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Is it up too high? Because I kind of feel either I got shorter or I have the tripod too high. One of those two things. And I decided that I wanted to do a bonus video because I went to... My hair is sticking up. And I wasn't going in a good direction anyways. I'll start again. This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday. And on this... No, whatever Wednesday. Oh, yeah. Try it again. And on this video, I have some friend mail. Okay, guys, so I went to my post office to get, it's not my personal post office. I mean, I probably should have one for just myself, as much stuff as I order. Well, let's try that again. Okay, guys, so I can't throw it. It's like floating in the air. Try it again.